What is 25 of 200? Let's say what means x is means equal sign, then 25 of means multiplication sign, then 200. Now multiply 25 and 200. Look, you can write 200 here and 25 you can multiply and you will get the product. But look, I will take the shortcut way. This is a whole number, but this is a whole number also, but it has tailing zeros, so we can rewrite it 25 times. We can rewrite this like this: 2 times 100. 2 times 100 means 200. Look, 10, 100, then 1000. These are called power of 10. 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. Right? So just multiply these two numbers. 25 times 2 means 50. Now attach the number of zeros from power of 10. Number of zeros here 2, so right here. So 5000 is our answer.